You're just gonna kill me. But yeah, I really thought my grandparents would all be like here for my wedding, but I felt them. So my grandma Carla's very, very important to me today.
Okay.
She's so happy. She's so happy to be a part of it.
Lord, we thank you for this time together in which we celebrate the coming together of Tim and Jerry Ann. I ask God today for your blessing, your favor, and your goodness upon their lives. I don't think that I've seen Tim more fidgety than I have in the last 20 minutes. Typically, I see him move a whole lot on the piano, but I'm seeing him move a whole lot today. And I want to tell you, Tim, today how proud I am of you. You are creative, you are ethereal, you are artistic, but you also are a man of God.
I found you're the only one worth ever singing about. Will you ride
Jerry Ann, I've married a lot of brides, but none more beautiful than you, and none more godly than you. Your life has been represented by faithfulness and commitment. I don't know of any other person that has been more prayerful, more sincere, and more committed about the work of God and faithfulness to God than you have.
I just want to say how proud and how happy I am for my best friend. We've been friends for almost 20 years. And we've been a part of each other's highs, and we've been a part of each other's lows, but we've always been there for one another. Anytime I needed someone to talk to and just vent to, he was always there for me. And through everything that we've both been through, I'm so happy to see where his feet finally landed.
Wow. Like, you look gorgeous. You look so gorgeous. Oh my God. I love you. You look so pretty. Oh my God.
You look so handsome.
No.
Tim, welcome to our family. And Brooke and Jaden, welcome to our family. From this day forward, you will be my grandchildren.
Jerry Ann is the truest of friends to me. She is a genuine and just one of the kindest and sweetest people that I've ever known. And to call her my friend and to be a part of this wedding has just been absolutely an honor, and I'm just so humbled.
Will you write my name?
Timmy's my baby, and he's always been my special youngest son, as Peter's my special oldest son. Yes.
Kiss your bride.
Perfect timing, sun is shining, nothing more I need, yeah. If you feel like this your best life,
Won't you sing with me? I'm living my best life, living my best life. So come and get it like
Tim, make sure you figure out what flour is her favorite. Whatever flour, whether it's gold medal, all-purpose, Pillsbury, Winco, bleached or unbleached, figure out which flour is her favorite to cook with.
So happy for Jerry Ann and Tim, the love that they share, how just God brought them together.
Can we toast to Tim and Jerry Ann today?